Okay, so to explain how it's going to fit in the hand is you're going to basically hold it like this. So your keys, your bottom row, you're pushing towards yourself. Your middle row, you're pushing away or like down. And then top row, it's going to be angled a little bit like that. So you're pushing like that, pushing down like that, and then pushing towards yourself like that. So that's why I need the small keycaps, just to have very small gaps in between each angle. And then I'll have my trackball for my thumb here with my 12 side mouse buttons. It'll be just like this. So I'll have that on the side, my trackball and keyboard. And then this will have like my shift, control, windows, tab, caps lock. I'll have all those buttons. And then on this side, it will just holding it like this. I want to have my space bar up here. So you kind of hold it like this, have space bar here, and then a scroll wheel here, and then your layer 1 and layer 2 key. Since the layer 2 key basically only has my F keys, I'm not too worried about the comfort of pushing this. It's still reasonably within where my thumb is. And then my second, or my first layer key, or whatever, is in a comfortable position, and then my thumb will just be, or my space will just be right here. And then scroll wheel, because since I'm having trackball, I want trackball and scroll wheel, although I haven't seen that in a keyboard yet, so that's going to be fun to figure out. That's sort of the main design that I want my keyboard to be in. So main position is going to be here, but with your secondary position being here. It's going to be weird. Probably mainly going to be having your hand tented at an angle, so that's 3 fingers off the ground with my hand on the ground, and then it can be tented even more to be more upright or sideways, I guess. And that's what I'm trying to do. Designing for me is very difficult, especially with trying to do more of a ergonomic, smooth design. I'm a lot better at designing stuff with edges, but I guess I can get the main key part down, and where I'm going to have the keys, I can get that down. But as far as the whole shape of each keyboard, that's gonna take a lot longer for me to do. But yeah, that's the general idea. So we'll see what happens.